Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a very interesting topic to discuss, that is biomedical engineering. Content to be discussed. Introduction, biomedical engineering, purpose of this field, biomedical engineer, responsibility of a biomedical engineer, application of this field, related fields or subdisciplines, career prospects, pros and cons. Introduction. By the name biomedical engineering, it's very clear that it looks like a fusion of two words, medical and engineering. Biomedical engineering is an intersection of two disciplines, life sciences and engineering. From the life sciences, it includes biology, physiology, and medical. And from the engineering, it includes design and innovation. What is biomedical engineering? Here is a definition. Biomedical engineering is the application of engineering principles and design concepts to medicine and biology. This field seeks to close the gap between engineering and medicine. It means this is a field in which the use of engineering technology, instrumentations, and methods are used to solve medical problems such as improving our understanding of physiology and the manufacture of artificial limbs and organs. What is the purpose of this field? The purpose of this field is to create approaches that allow one to study, analyze, diagnose, and develop new therapies to treat diseases as well as to heal damaged tissues and organs of our body. Who are biomedical engineers? Biomedical engineers design products and procedures that solve medical problems. These problems are these problem includes artificial organs, prosthesis. Prosthesis mean artificial hip joint, instrumentation, and health management. To understand the duty of a biomedical engineer, I have placed a flowchart here. You can see that whenever any medical problem arises, a biomedical engineer tried to implement some engineering techniques on the medical problem to analyze that, and after the analysis, he tries to find out the solution of this problem so that he can improve the health. Responsibility of a biomedical engineer. Doctor diagnoses and treat patients. But what is the responsibility and the role of a biomedical engineer? Biomedical engineer analyzes the blood from a patient so that the doctor knows how to diagnose and treat. They design equipment that are used to analyze the blood. Not just the equipment to analyze the blood, basically all the instruments or equipments that are used during the surgeries or the treatments of replacements. Everything is designed and manufactured by biomedical engineers. So from here we can take a guess that how these two people, biomedical engineer and doctor, work side by side. Applications of medical engineering. Biomedical engineering has a wide application, like in heart transplant, in replacing damaged skin, in repairing a damaged hip, in repairing a damaged bones. Heart plant. Scientists have already told us that how blood flows and how our heart functions. The biomedical engineer use this information and try to make or make or design a artificial heart that can be transplant instead of the original one that works exactly like our original do. Then the doctor carry out surgery and monitor patient's health. Replace damaged skin. Now scientist establishes that how the artificial skin will be tolerated by the body. Biomedical engineer try to use that information to design, operates, and maintain the process to grow the artificial or synthetic skin by using tissue engineering. Then doctor operates to graft the artificial skin to the body. Repairing a damaged hip, scientist establishes how the hip joint work or functions in our body. Biomedical engineer designs the prosthesis. They designs the artificial hip joint that help doctor to operate on the patient and monitor his recovery. Repairing damaged bones. Biomedical scientists establish how the bones function in the body. The biomedical engineer tries to design the equipment that can be used during surgery to ensure the correct alignment of bone in our body. Doctor operates on the patients and then monitor the recovery of a patient. This is artificial hand, this is artificial heart, this is a prosthesis, and this is an artificial skin. These all are manufactured or designed by biomedical engineers, and they are used to treat uh, different cures or different damaged in our bodies. Related disciplines. There are many disciplines that are interlinked or interconnected with this field, like medical instrumentation, biomaterial, human physiology and modeling, biosignal processing, medical imaging, biomechanics, rehabilitation engineering. These are the all separate fields, like biomedical engineering. They have a scope, they are totally different from this, but they have some kind of interconnection with this field too. Some of the fields like rehabilitation, mechanics, material has been given to our class fellows by Sir Sadiq. They will discuss them in the detail. This is not the concern of my presentation. Career prospects. Biomedical engineer work in variety of facilities. Like they can work on a different projects in the universities or in the hospitals with doctors, in the research labs, medical establishments, and government agencies. Now, when we are talking about career over here, so we can also discuss the job, the salary, everything about this field here. In the developed countries like USA, America, Canada, this field is emerging and growing every year. There are so many universities who are offering the degree of biomedical engineering, and the people who are biomedical engineer in those countries are earning a good pay, like 1 lakh dollars per year. But in a country like our Pakistan, there is not a huge scope of this field, even though there are hardly 13 or 14 universities who are offering the course or the degree of biomedical engineering. In Lahore, there is no university who is offering this field, but there are some UET campuses in Narowal, Taxila, and Kalasha Kaku, or few universities like Ziauddin University in Karachi. These are some universities who are offering biomedical engineering degree, and the person who works here in the hospitals, university, and research labs as a biomedical engineer earns at least or maximum 26 to 27,000 per month, but it has a huge scope in the developed countries like America, Canada, etc. At the last, we have pros and cons. So, positive about being a biomedical engineer, they have paid holidays, they have paid vacations, they have paid health insurance, they have paid retirement plans, and also good pay. Negative about being a biomedical engineer, years of school. If the degree or the year of schooling is quite lengthy. It requires at least 7 or 8 years to complete the degree of biomedical engineering. So it's a long period. Health concern. Health concern are obviously there when they are working in a laboratory medical labs, so any accident can happen. Overall, it's a good field and it is serving humanity. So if somebody wants to get into it, they can serve people and can improve the health worldwide. Thank you.